Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how you can share location on Motorola E15. Firstly, open up Google Maps, then tap on your profile pic in the top right corner, and now tap on location sharing. Share location, and now select for how long would you like to share this location, and here you can just share the link. There's no bother, just copy the link, and if the other person opens the link, it's going to redirect them to Google Maps and show them your location, live location. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.